No, step out.
Bro, you can't pull out a car? What the fuck you got? You're grabbing me.
Step out.
You're grabbing me.
Stop. Get out.
You're grabbing me.
You need to get out.
You're grabbing me.
You need to get out.
You're grabbing me for no reason.
Hey, well, you're under arrest now.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Get out. Get out.
Bro, did you read my rights?
Step out of the vehicle slowly.
Step out of the vehicle right now.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me go. What are you doing? Stop.
You're under arrest.
Hands on your back.
County jail. Wait till my brother gets here.
No.
I need myself.
Today we are going to be talking about moments Karens felt the law didn't apply to them, and it never ended well. Our first case takes us to April 22nd, 2023, when officers pulled over a woman who was driving above the speed limit with an expired tag. What would have just been a quick stop became something no one saw coming. From the very beginning, the officers already knew this was going to be a long talk. Although she initially looked cooperative, everything changed the moment the officer asked her one simple question.
No, I'm saying I'm talking to you on this side. Can you roll this down all the way? Can you roll it down more for me, please, so I can talk to you? Yeah. So yeah, all the way down, please.
Can you come this side?
No, okay, so Officer Kelly, I know the reason I stopped is for your speed and your tag's expired. Can you please roll the window down all the way?
How far is all the way?
All the way, like all the way down.
Sorry, I don't understand what all the way is.
Okay, let me get your license from you.
No, I'm literally asking you.
All the way down.
Like, okay.
According to the law in the United States, if an officer finds an open container of alcohol in a vehicle, the driver of that vehicle can be cited or even arrested. It doesn't matter who drank it. The responsibility falls on the person behind the wheel at that moment. Instead of trying to sort things out calmly, what she said next completely shocked the officers.
On the ground, right there, it looks like 3 of them. You can't have 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, like I explained to people previously, there's multiple people that drive my car. So.
Okay, it doesn't matter, you're still in possession of it, okay?
Okay,
so
I understand.
It's not, I mean, it's probably just not a good idea, even if someone else is drinking them in your car, to leave them there, okay?
I got you, I understand it, I think.
She said she was going to call her lawyer, but was she actually expecting her lawyer to come to her rescue her at 3 a.m. in the morning? The funny part is, there hadn't even been any serious argument or threat of arrest at that point. It was still just a normal conversation, but she decided to escalate it right away. Soon, another officer arrived on the scene, and that's when her behavior confirmed the first officer's suspicion.
I'm not gonna have you.
No, I'm not saying.
Okay, hang out here.
This clearly showed she was intoxicated. Her words weren't adding up. Her actions were all over the place. But instead of admitting it or cooperating, she doubled down. Her next move surprised the officers even more.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, yeah, come in, zoom in.
Zoom in? Are you asking me to zoom in?
No, I'm asking you anything. You're standing over me while I'm talking to my brother.
Oh, no, yeah, well, yeah, I'm just here to see if you have your insurance on.
Oh, I have my insurance. I gave you my insurance already.
You never showed me your insurance.
It's like 5 people that came over to my car already.
It's only me and the officer that stopped you.
Okay, thank you.
Earlier, she had confidently said she had her insurance, but now faced with this second officer, the story suddenly changed. Now, her brother was the one holding the insurance documents. It was at this point it became clear she wasn't being honest. Soon, the first officer who had initiated the stop came back to continue handling the situation. And that's when another round of drama unfolded.
My apologies.
No, you're fine. This is just...
I'm not saying anything. My brother's coming. He'll have the insurance, all this stuff for you, okay?
He has the insurance?
Yes, he has my insurance for the car, everything. He's like, we live 2 minutes away from him. He'll be here in 1 second.
All they asked for was her license, registration, and insurance. Simple, routine questions. But instead of handing those over, she refused, choosing instead to argue about her rights. Even when she was told by the first officer that she was speeding above the limit, she just didn't see anything wrong with that. The whole thing could have been avoided if she had just stayed calm and cooperative like she was at the start. The officers weren't being aggressive, they were patient, and even gave her multiple chances to correct herself. Her constant arguing and unwillingness to comply made the situation escalate. Her behavior showed a sense of entitlement that's sadly common in many of these situations. Instead of focusing on fixing the problem, she chose to argue about everything else. She could have gone home with a warning or a simple ticket. Rather, her attitude turned a routine stop into an arrest. Most people might say she was intoxicated, and that may affect her actions. But how about the next case?
Come on.
Because I'm black?
No, it's because you have open container. Okay. Get out.
Show me the container.
Get out.
Show me the
Get
container.
out. Get out.
Container.
Hey.
Literally, I'm not doing anything.
Step out. Okay, step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
No.
Get out.
Get
this home.
Say the, bro.
Stop. Well,
Okay,
you're under arrest now.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Get out. Get out.
Let's redo it. There anything's wrong, then just show up.
Get out.
Like,
Get out.
pulling my arm.
Yeah,
Get out.
step
He's
out of the
pulling my.
Get the other one.
What? Tell me what the hell I'm doing. You have to read my rights. Read my rights.
Get out of the car.
Read my fucking rights.
Out of the car.
Read my rights. Read my rights. Read my rights. Read my fucking rights.
Just step out of the vehicle.
Did he read my rights?
Step out of the vehicle.
Did he read my rights?
Step out of the
Did he read my rights?
Step out of the vehicle.
No, did he read my rights? Did he read my rights? Yeah. Bro, did you read my rights? Okay, that's fine. I have a lawyer. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do.
All right. So you're under arrest for obstructing resisting. So I ask you to step
Now
out.
you're reading my rights afterwards.
You're gonna stand up. All righty. Let's go
They
to
read
the
my
squad.
rights. You know me.
What's going on? What happened?
I'm saying they read my rights after.
Right.
No, it's not okay.
Go talk about the police department.
Step out of the vehicle slowly.
Step out of the vehicle right now!
What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me go! What are you doing? Stop!
You're under arrest.
No!
County jail.
Wait
That's where
till
you're
my
going.
brother gets here.
No.
I need myself.
On the 2nd of May, 2022, officers pulled over a car that had an expired registration and was running on a single lane, and from there, the drama unfolded.
Driver, turn the vehicle off now. Turn your vehicle off now. Open the door. Let me see your hands.
What's going on?
Step out of the vehicle slowly. Whenever you step out of the vehicle, face away from me. Stay facing away from me. Step out of the vehicle. Do it now.
Step out of the vehicle right now!
What did I do wrong? What's going on?
This is a traffic stop for expired registration, fail to drive in a single lane. Stay facing away from me. Do it now.
Just like in our first case, she obeyed and came out. And at that point, the officers might have thought this would be an easy stop. But that was only until she did something that changed everything.
This is ridiculous. We're gonna wait for Santa Rosa to get here. Ma'am, open the door and step out of the vehicle. Can you see it? She's still on the phone. Why don't you come over here behind me? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to this car on the driver's side, all three of us. We're gonna approach as a team, okay? We're gonna try to light up the interior of the car. I wanna see if there's any, very quickly, we're gonna see if there's any weapons or anything. We're gonna try to open up the driver's door and tell her to get out of the car, okay? Okay. Ma'am, open up the door. Ma'am, please open up the door. The door's locked. Ma'am, unlock the door, please.
Now, that question was worth asking, because why would she still go back into the car, even when the instructions were clear? The officers had clearly told her not to go in. It's like she chose to do things the hard way. The officers then went on to approach her again, but they weren't prepared for what she did next.
Open up the door. I don't want to have to break the window.
If you don't roll the window down, we have to break the window.
Ma'am, you need to open up the door and step out of the vehicle and provide identification. This is a traffic stop, as I've already informed you previously.
Do not escalate this situation.
Ma'am, you are escalating the situation. You need to at least put your window down, open up the door, and step out of the vehicle. I've already told you because your registration's expired. You're driving in the left lane, and also you're drifting in and out of your lane.
Instead of listening or even explaining herself, She decided to completely ignore them. Even if she wasn't ready to step out of the car, the least she could have done was to wind down so they could talk. She rather decided to make things more complicated for herself.
What are you doing? I didn't do anything wrong. I want to talk to your officer, Sheriff. You guys are violating my rights right now. You are scaring me and I have done nothing wrong.
Yep.
According to the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which protects citizens against unreasonable searches and seizures, officers still have the legal right to take necessary measures to ensure compliance when a driver refuses lawful commands. When a driver refuses to wind down or step out of the car during a lawful stop, officers are permitted to use reasonable force to safely carry out their duties. That was exactly what happened here.
Your back. Hands behind your back.
Arresting me for? Why are you grabbing me like this? Let me go. Aubrey, what did you do to the... Why are you arresting me? Why are you...
Stop resisting.
Who is arresting me?
You're going to the back of the police car
No.
now.
I have somebody coming over here. I have my brother and my children here. I have a right to know where I'm going. Let me go. I have a right to know where I'm going. My brother's on
Yeah,
his way.
you're going to the Santa
No.
Rosa County Jail.
Wait
That's where
till
you're
my
going.
brother gets here.
No. So one of your charges is going to be never having a driver's license. Another one of your charges is going to be fleeing and elude law enforcement.
I was not fleeing.
You've been signaled to stop and you failed to do
I
so.
was not fleeing, and I will fight that against court. I was not fleeing.
A third.
I did not know what was going on. I want to put that on the record. I was not fleeing.
Okay, ma'am, I'm trying to explain why you're going to jail, okay? The third charge you're going to get tonight is violation of 843.02, resisting without violence.
I was not
Okay.
resisting.
All right, so that's why you're going to jail, and you're going to get a few citations for the traffic.
The officers didn't jump into action right away. Now we hear her saying the officers are violating her rights, but in reality, they had been calling her out for several minutes, giving her the opportunity to cooperate. If she had just done that, they wouldn't have had to take further action. Now, what would have just been a ticket for an expired registration turned into multiple charges. She was now facing obstruction of justice, failure to comply, and resisting an officer, all because she wouldn't simply wind down her window. What could have been resolved in 10 minutes turned into an hour-long scene. It's a hard lesson, but one worth learning. Obedience doesn't make you weak, it keeps you safe. The officers were doing their job, not targeting her personally as she made it look. They didn't approach her aggressively, they didn't shout, they didn't threaten. They simply gave her an instruction which she disobeyed.